Example 1. Find the tangent, sine and cosine of angles x and y. So we have a right-angled triangle with two angles x and y. Then the three sides, we have 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. For us to find all the three trigonometric ratios, we will need to have all the three sides. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of h, which is given by 4 squared plus 3 squared, which is equal to the square root of 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared is 9. So this will be equal to the square root of 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. And the square root of 25 is 5 centimeters. So h centimeters is equal to 5 centimeters. Now, having found the value of all the sides, we can get the trigonometric ratios of angles x and y. Now, with respect to angle x, if we redraw the triangle here, we have a right-angled triangle, and this is our angle, x degrees. Now, this we have the first, this side as 4, this one as 3, and this one as 5. Now, with respect to angle x, this side is a hypotenuse. Then angle x is opposite to this side, so it is the opposite. And then it is adjacent to the side with 3 centimeters. Therefore, sine of x, remember, sine of any angle theta is given by the opposite side over the hypotenuse side. Now, the side opposite to x is 4. The side opposite, the hypotenuse side to x is 5. So sine of x is 4 over 5, which is equal to 0.8. Now, cosine of an angle theta is given by adjacent over the hypotenuse. Now, the side adjacent to x is 3, so we have 3 over the hypotenuse, which is 5, and that is equal to 0.6. Then, tan of an angle theta is given by the opposite side over the adjacent. Now, the side opposite to x is 4 over the adjacent, which is 3. Dividing the 2, we get 1.333. Those are the values of the trigonometric ratios with respect to x. Now, to obtain the sine, cos, and tan of y, so we'll have another triangle where this angle is y, this is 90, this side is 4, this side is 5, this side is 3. So with respect to y, this side is a hypotenuse, this side is opposite to y, so it is the opposite, and then this side is adjacent to y, therefore it is the adjacent side. So to obtain the sine of y, the sine of y degrees will be equal to, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. 3 is the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which is 5, and that is equal to 0.6. Then the cosine of y will be equal to, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now the adjacent side to y is 4. So we have 4 over the hypotenuse, which is 5, to give us 0.8. Then the tan of y is equal to, tan is opposite over adjacent. The side opposite to y is 3. So we have 3 over the adjacent side, which is 4. And this gives us 0.75. So you've realized that the opposite side and the adjacent side changes depending with the position of the angle.